Hey everyone, Daniel Rubino here, Windows Central, and this is the MateBook 14. It comes out later this year, and today we're going to give you a quick tour. Stay tuned. Okay, before we get started, let's put this into a little bit of context here. So this is below the MateBook X Pro laptop and sits between the MateBook D. So this is sort of a mid-range professional level laptop, but it's not the premium X Pro series. Having said that, there are a lot of similarities. We're looking at a 14-inch, so slightly larger than the X Pro display, 3:2 aspect ratio. However, this is a 2K screen, not 3K. It is touch though, so you do get that option as well. And it still has that 90% screen to body ratio that the X Pro series has as well. So really nice display, around 300 nits of brightness. So this display is not going to be as good as the X Pros, but it's still a very good display and has all the best parts that we like about the X Pro. It should also be noted for colors, there are 3 variants, including Space Gray, Mystic Silver, and Pink Gold. And as you'll notice on the lid here, well, they did change up the logo. They got rid of the flower thing and now it just says Huawei. It is better. I'm not sure it's great, but I don't think a lot of you will have complaints either. It's certainly an improvement over the last time. All right, now looking at the keyboard deck. Now forgive us, this is the UK variant, so if things look a little different like that return button, that's why. But this is a standard keyboard here. You do get the fingerprint reader built into the power button as well as the giant trackpad with precision drivers. Okay, now looking at I/O, and things get a little interesting here. We do have a USB Type-C that is not Thunderbolt 3. Like the MateBook 13, this one is only a Type-C, so use that for power and data. You also have a headphone jack, and check that out, a full HDMI port, something you don't see very often. And it does differ from the X Pro series, which uses Thunderbolt 3 instead for display out, so you don't need a dock with this, just straight up HDMI. Another slight change will be on the right side. You get 2 USB Type-A's. One is going to be 2.0, and the blue one, of course, is 3.0 for faster transfer speeds. For specifications, we're talking a Core i7-8565U series, so that's Whiskey Lake. There should be a Core i5 variant as well, plus you get 16 gigs of RAM and up to 512 gigabytes of storage. There's also NVIDIA graphics with the brand new MX250 chipset. Now don't get too excited, that is a 25 TDP watt system, so it's going to be the fast one, but you're only looking at about 5 to 10% improvement over the MX150, so still not a huge GPU, but we'll take it in such a device. You also get some other features as well that Huawei is doing, including the 3-finger gesture support for screenshots. There's also the new Huawei Share 3.0, which works with their phones and this PC for transferring photos, videos, and documents directly. It works really well, and it should be a lot of fun, but you do need both Huawei products to make use of it. Look at the bottom here, you do get an intake vent here for their new Shark Fin 2.0 cooling system, as well as 2 speakers. Again, that's a difference. The X Pro has quad speakers, this only has 2 on the bottom. Still Dolby Atmos though, should be very good audio, and you get 4 microphone holes for conferences and meetings. All right, so there's a quick look at the MateBook 14. Now it comes out around May, June, depending on your region. It will be available in the United States. Of course, we'll have more information at Windows Central, so make sure you go to the description and hit the link below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.